Good day, future engineers. Let's proceed sa ato ang next nga sample for horizontal shearing stress. And also, this will be our last example. So we have here a plywood beam that is built up of 1/4 inch strips separated by blocks, as shown in figure P-577. What shearing force V will cause a maximum shearing stress of 200 psi? So take note of the units. This is in English units, no? If makita ninyo nga naggamit siya og inch, and then we have also the PSI. So here, kung inyong tanaw ng problem, atong ginapangita is the V. So natay given nga shearing stress that is 200 PSI. And then we were asked to get the shearing force for this particular given. So unsay first na to buhaton? So we have FV is equal to VQ over IB. So ang V na to is unknown. So first na to i-solve, we establish the neutral axis. So for this one, this is a symmetrical man siya nga beam. So we can safely assume nga yung neutral axis is just the half or 6 inches. Or nalagay siya sa tunga. Next is we get the resolve nga inertia with respect to the neutral axis. So this is a beam with hollow section. So same ra gyapon natong buhaton, no? That is 1/12 times base of this beam. So this is what? So ingon niya 1/4 inch daw ni dire. So this is 1/4 inch. Also this one is 1/4 inch. And then here we have 1/4 inch. Tas diri din sa tunga we have tag 2 inches. Tapos diri sa pikas we have 2 inches. So, ang total na to ani for this one, for this length, that is 2 inches plus 2 inches plus tulo ka 1/4. So that becomes 4.75 inches. So atong base is 4.75 times height ani is 12 inches cube minus the hollow section. So 1/12 times ang usa ka hollow section that is 2 inches times height is, so kani siya nga height, so this is 10 inches remaining. So 10 inches cube. And since duha man sila, munang times 2. So we have a moment of inertia with respect to its neutral axis I, which is equal to, since naka-inches ang iyang unit, so inches po na to ang unit for DI. So this becomes 50.67 inch to the fourth. So again, take note of the units. Next, get for the Q. So ang gingon dire is maximum shearing stress. So unsay pasabot ko maximum shearing stress? Assume na to nga kaning area from the neutral axis pasaka ang atong kwaon for the Q. That's one. Our Q, so same yapon sa hollow sections or hollow nga beam, natay dako nga rectangle minus gagmay nga rectangle. So yan na gyapon para dali ato ang life. Or pwede sad nga ato siyang tagsa-tagsaon kaning tagsa-tagsa nga rectangle here. So let's say naman tay tulo ka tindog or duha ka higda sa ibabaw. Let's say unaw na to ning kaning nakahigda. So that is 2 inches, then yung thickness diri is 1 inch. Tapos nanin tay isa nga kaning pinatindog. That is yung thickness is 1/4 inch, and then yung height is 6 inches. And then tulo sila kabuok. Okay, for the nakahigda one, duha siya kabuok times area is just 2 times 1. Then yung y bar, so y bar again is the distance sa centroid sa area paingon sa neutral axis. So that is 6 inches minus 0.5. So that is 5.5 inch. Plus area aning nakatindog. So tulo man ning sila katindog, so that we have 3 times base niya is 1/4 times height nga 6 times ang iyang kuan y bar is just 3 inches. So ato ang Q for this one is 35.5 cubic inch. So we have Q, we already have RI, natay shearing stress FV. Next is the B. So kinsa man si B? Ang giingon man diri is maximum shearing stress. Again, maximum shearing stress asa gakahitabo naa sa neutral axis. So ato ang B is may tabo ra po ni siya sa neutral axis ug dadto sa part niya na ay section. So naa diri mahitabo usa, duhaan, tulo. Sa ato pa ang B nato is tulo ka 1/4 inch which is equal to 0.75 inch. So dali na lang gyud kayo siya. Substituting the values, di ba, we have FV is equal to VQ over IB. FV na to is 200 pounds per square inch. So that is 200 pounds per square inch is equal to V nga unknown times ato ang Q is 35.5 cubic inch over I is equal to 350.67 inch to the fourth times B na to is 0.75 inch. Take note of the signs nga consistent sila. So from this problem, makasolve na taog V. Of course not, maximum shearing for so ano no? V is equal to 200 pounds per square inch times 350.67 inch to the fourth times 0.75 inch. So divided by 35.5 inch cube. Yun yung mapansin, makancel ta ng inches na unit, mabili na lang is ang pounds. So ito ang V is equal to 1,481.69 pounds. So this will be our shearing force allowable if we have a maximum shearing stress na equal to 200 psi. So at times, yung aning problem, no, instead of getting the shearing stress, maximum shearing stress, minimum shearing stress, the shearing stress at the specific distance or the bending stress or the flexural stress, at times, bali iya ang pagka-given. Hatagan tag bending stress and shearing stress, and then isolve na to patras. So, mo gitong first is that determine the neutral, determine or write the given problem, analyze what has been asked, and then look for the neutral axis asa siya, kuha siya og kuan moment of inertia with respect to the neutral axis, and then define the missing variable. So ana lang gina siya. So for the sample problem number 7, atong shearing force for the maximum shearing stress nga 200 psi is equal to 1,481.69 pounds. Okay, so that's all for this topic, and then we'll be moving for a more problem on combination na din ni shearing and also ni flexural